So how can you convert a document to PDF on the iPhone? Let me guide you through some possible options on how you can achieve that. Let's get started. And if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. Now, of course, it depends on where you have that document, but most likely you have it stored in the Files app, right? So you can get inside and browse it. And in order to convert it to PDF, you can use multiple different approaches. For example, I have this Google document saved in my files folder, and what I can do is I can hold down on it, and I don't just click on it right away, but instead I choose the app which I want to open it with, right? And this gives me a couple of different apps I can open it through, and one of them is like a PDF editor, which I downloaded previously on my phone. Or for example, there's the Adobe Acrobat, which I can use to open up my Google document. And as you can see, this gives me the ability to edit it as PDF or turn it into it like a PDF, right? So that is one way we can do that. Also, as you can tell, there are more PDF apps which can also open up my existing document right here. And you can see that as well, it kind of behaves like this. So that's another possibility. So the next option would be to open up a web browser of your choice like Safari and literally type in like the document to PDF converter, for example, Word to PDF, and you're going to be able to find plenty of websites where you can upload your file and essentially just download it in a different format. So I guess that would work out just fine. And one more thing though, you can also use the built-in Pages app from Apple, which is like a text document, which as well lets you edit documents and play with them, but then you also have the ability to export it in the PDF format. So it depends on your setup and which app you used to edit that document and so on, but I just wanted to guide you through the blueprints of how it could work. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it successfully be PDF on your phone. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.